All right, I was having a little fun with ChatGPT Image Style Transfer. So you can take an image like this kind of wine label, wine art style, and put it into ChatGPT with your original image, and then it draws the image in the style of the artwork you provide it. So we're doing product mockups this week where we're making we're putting images on products, wine label in this case, soda can in this case. And so I was just trying to think about how you can use ChatGPT to make it a little better, right? So if you're, you can pass or drag in your image and then give it a prompt like make into sewn patch with transparent background, and it does a pretty good job. It puts it creates like that fabric sewn style and puts a black edge around the edge and or as an outline and makes it into a patch, right? And you could put that on a hat or a t-shirt or something where a patch would go. All right, and so then I tried the same thing thinking about a soda can, and I tried a different prompt. I said make it into a sticker. So I passed it the image, make into sticker with transparent background. It did all right. It put a white kind of highlight around the edge with a little separation from the background, a little shadow detail. But it didn't work quite so well. But then I got a little more creative and I said I wanted to recreate that wine label look, right? And you can do this with any label, just remove the background and get the artwork isolated. But I ended up kind of Googling what is wine label style, and it said woodcut illustration is kind of the term for this wine label style. So then I went into I Googled that and found a link to Adobe Stock and found a bunch of kind of wine label looking artwork. And so you can kind of scroll through these if you find one you like. And then I just dragged it into ChatGPT. I dragged the two images together, and it gave me this image style transfer, right? So I said, make the first image in the style of the second image on a transparent background, right? And it redrew the grapes with the woodcut illustration style. And it did a really good job, but I don't know, I just wanted to kind of see how a different image would look. And so I got that wine barrel as well. And I did the same thing. I guess I didn't save it. But it put the barrel on the head together. Make the image in the style of the second image on a transparent background. So it took two prompts, but the second time it got it, and it gave me something that looked like what I wanted. So pretty cool. So try to think about kind of the style you're going for. And if you want to try to use a reference image, an image style transfer with ChatGPT, and then put a patch or a sticker or a woodcut illustration on your wine bottle can or hat / t-shirt / clothing item. All right, so then I just brought them into I brightened it needed some brightness. That patch looked a lot better, and then I added some brightness and shadow brightness, increased the shadows, and just wanted to give you some inspiration for your product mockups. Try to make the image kind of texture style a little more than just a plain graphic. So good luck.